Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to look at our windshield frame for the 66 to 77 Broncos. If you're restoring a classic Bronco, chances are the windshield frame is damaged, warped, or rusted. Dennis Carpenter recognizes this and offers a restoration quality windshield frame solution. Our windshield frame is correct for the 69 to 77 Broncos, but can also be used on the 66 to 68 models if you convert to electric wipers. Made from high quality steel, it is an exact replacement for your original and will get your windshield aligned and working properly. Our frame is engineered to provide you with the flexibility in your hinge choices, allowing for a truly custom touch. While the frame itself does not include hinges, we offer 3 distinct hinge options that can be purchased separately. First, we have plain steel for a stock look, and we also offer stainless steel with and without mounting holes. This gives the builder more options on mounting the windshield frame to your Bronco. And if you prefer, we also offer the stock windshield frame with the standard hinges pre-installed. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.